Meaning of Danish.
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 Danish. The word Danish refers to anything related to Denmark or its people, culture, language, or cuisine. Denmark is a country located in Northern Europe and is famous for its history, architecture, and quality of life. Danish culture is often associated with minimalist design concepts such as the famous Danish furniture style. The Danish language is a North Germanic language and is spoken by approximately 6 million people in Denmark and around the world. Danish cuisine features dishes such as smørrebrød, open sandwiches, frikadeller, meatballs, and Danish pastries.